Hi there, I'm Miss Claudine, and I'm so excited to help you start your Filipino language journey. Kumusta? Ako si Miss Claudine. Sabik na akong tulungan kayong matutong magtagalog. Whether you're learning for travel, family, or personal growth, you've come to the right place. I have over 10 years of experience teaching both elementary children and college students. This means I know how to make complex grammar simple and fun. My background in education ensures that our sessions are structured, effective, and data driven. In my class, learning is an immersive adventure. We don't just memorize words, we use games and hands on activities to make the language stick. Hindi lang wika ang ituturo ko, kundi pati na rin ang kulturang Pilipino, ang ating mga tradisyon at ang paraan ng ating pakikipagkapwa-tao. By understanding the why behind the words, you'll speak more naturally and confidently. I teach adult learners, 18 plus, of all levels. I'll assess your current knowledge and build a personalized plan just for you. Handa ka na bang simulan ang ating adventure? Huwag kang mahiya. Sa klase ko, masaya ang pag-aaral. Book your trial lesson today and let's unlock the beauty of Tagalog together. See you in class! Mag-book na kayo ng trial lesson at magkita-kita tayo sa klase. Hanggang sa muli!